Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Chef D, and today we are going to be doing a chocolate fondue classic Valentine's Day dessert. What I love about this recipe is that I'm actually teaching y'all how to make it without a fondue pot or without any fancy gadgets. The only thing that we're literally going to need is a saucepan or a small pot, and you literally have yourself an under 10-minute chocolate fondue sauce. Obviously, you guys can pair this off with whatever you love. That means if you want to do marshmallows, if you want to do meringues, if you want to do pound cakes, if you want to do strawberries and pineapples and kiwis, then go ahead and go for it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm wishing you guys an amazing and sweet and awesome Valentine's Day dessert. If you guys haven't checked out my other recipes for this amazing Valentine's Day edition, and I hope you guys have an amazing night or an amazing day, and please don't forget to give your girl a big like, a big share, and a big subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Ciao. Let's start off by gathering all of our ingredients. Now, the basis of this chocolate fondue only has 6 ingredients for this recipe. Turn your stovetop to a low heat, and in a small saucepan, we're going to start by adding in our heavy cream. Our second ingredient is the whole milk. The next ingredient is going to be 1 1/4 cup of semi-sweet, bittersweet, or dark chocolate finely chopped. Like I said, please choose the chocolate of your choice. Stir and mix everything until the chocolate is melted and the mixture is smooth. Just a tip, when mixing and stirring, don't let this mixture come up to a boil. Slow and steady wins the race here. Once everything is melted, turn off your stovetop and remove this from the heat. Now we're going to add in either the coffee, the brandy, or the Grand Marnier. For this instance, I'm actually using freshly brewed coffee that has been kept at room temperature. Add in your vanilla or orange extract. And the last ingredient is adding your room temperature butter. Stir until the butter is nice and melted, and this is just going to make that finishing touch very silky, very shiny, and very smooth. And now we are ready to serve this immediately with your favorite toppings. What I would suggest is just getting your favorite bowl, your favorite butter warmers like you see in the video. These are, I believe, $3 per each one. Really a bargain, and it's just so cute. But like I said, you can serve it however you like. And now we are going to my favorite toppings. This is really to your liking. I have the fruit of choice, marshmallows, peanut brittle, meringues, and obviously beautiful strawberries, as that is the classic. So I hope you guys have an amazing, happy Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, and I will see you guys next week. Enjoy.